Recording, okay. Good afternoon. It is actually right on noon. This is Brother Charlie, and this is Brother Charlie's cooking show, which today I'm making something very special for you. It's from the Bon Appetit magazine, January, the year 2000. And it's a lovely dessert called Apricot Bread Pudding with caramel sauce. It is very delicious, believe me. If you make this, you will never taste the likes of ever again, as delicious as it is. And here, I don't know if you can see, I don't know if you can see that recipe, but there it is, apricot bread pudding with caramel sauce. Let me read the ingredients, because everything's pretty much made already. I should have started, and let you know how to start it. Anyway, here's the ingredients. And it makes 12 servings. You need 1 cup of Grand Marnier or another orange liqueur. Sometimes I use triple sec because it's a lot cheaper. Although I went to Kroger yesterday and bought Grand Marnier. It was 20 bucks. Oh no, it wasn't Kroger, it was Myers. Anyway, 20 bucks for the nice little bottle of Grand Marnier. Okay, you need 1 cup of that. You need 1/4 cup of water. You mix that together, the 1/4 cup of water, and you simmer it with your Grand Marnier, your triple sec or whatever, orange flavored liqueur, in a little pot. Simmer it for about 5 minutes, then let it cool, perfectly cool, before you put it in your bread pudding. Okay, here's the rest of your ingredients. 5 cups of whipping cream. I used heavy whipping cream. 6 large eggs, 1 cup of sugar. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, which is a lot. 1/2 teaspoon of grated nutmeg. 8 croissants, cubed, about 1 pound, and that's about the size of your croissants, so about 8 of those. And then 1 cup of dried apricots diced. Chop them up, because you're going to mix that with your breadcrumbs, croissant crumbs, or bread. Yeah, your croissants. Ripped apart, of course. So, anyway, here's how we do this. You simmer your Grand Marnier with your 1/4 cup of water in heavy medium saucepan for about 5 minutes. Cool mixture completely. Then whisk your Grand Marnier water mixture. Mix that with your cream, your whipping cream, in a big bowl. Eggs, your 6 eggs. 1 cup of your sugar, vanilla, the 1 tablespoon, and nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of your nutmeg. And then you blend. Blend it in a big bowl, whip it up. And then with a hand mixer, that's what I do. Or you could use the electric mixer, I guess. Anyway, place the croissant pieces in your 13 by 9 by 2 inch glass baking dish, which ahead of time, I mixed my apricots chopped up with the croissant cubes in a big bowl, and then I poured them into the casserole dish. It makes it easier to disperse the apricots. Okay, let's see. Okay, you added your apricots in with your croissant pieces, and then you toss them together in that big bowl. And then I poured it into here, the breadcrumbs and the apricots. And then, here, after you've mixed all your cream and all that together, pour the custard over the croissants in your dish, 9 by 13. Pressing down gently with a rubber spatula or whatever. I just used a regular spatula. I press down to get them moist, get all the croissant cubes moist. Let that set for 20 minutes till everything's all soaked in there. Then, after setting for 20 minutes, you preheat your oven. Of course, I did that already. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil. Okay. Anyway, this is all set up. It's been set here for 20 minutes or more. Aluminum foil. If you want this recipe, I'll give it to you somehow. There, cover it with your aluminum. put that in a bigger pan because they're going to put hot water around it, about an inch high. I think that, I don't know why they do that, but there's a reason. It'll fit perfectly in this broiler pan, the broiler pan. There, right into it. If you can see that. Okay, all covered. Now I boiled the hot water. You need hot water to pour around the casserole dish, about an inch high. Okay, add enough hot water to the roasting pan to come about 1 inch up the sides, okay? And now we're gonna bake it for an hour at 350. I've already got the water heated, so I pour it around the edge here. Don't want to get it inside the bread pudding. About an inch high around the casserole dish. I'm really not sure why you do this, but I think maybe it has something to do with the baking of it or something. Keeps it from cracking or something, I don't know. If anybody knows the reason, let me know. What's the reason behind this? Pouring boiling water an inch up the side. I guess it makes it bake better. Oh. Okay. There we go. Put that baby in the oven. Let it cook for an hour. And then, after it's baked for an hour, you take it out and